African lungfish. The African lungfish stands as a remarkable testament to nature's resilience and adaptability. This extraordinary creature possesses the uncanny ability to survive extreme conditions, including prolonged periods without water. The secret to its survival lies in its unique respiratory system, which allows it to breathe air when aquatic environments become inhospitable. During times of drought, the African lungfish enters a state of estivation, essentially shutting down its bodily functions and encasing itself in a protective mucus cocoon. What makes this fish truly fascinating is its ability to come back to life after appearing dead or cooked. This phenomenon occurs due to the lungfish's remarkable physiological adaptations. When exposed to high temperatures or removed from water, the fish's metabolism slows dramatically, entering a state of suspended animation. To the untrained eye, it may appear lifeless or even cooked. However, when reintroduced to water or more favorable conditions, the African lungfish can revive itself, resuming normal bodily functions. This incredible feat of survival has earned it the moniker of zombie fish, capturing the imagination of scientists and the public alike. Click subscribe to this channel to get more topics you love. Walking catfish. The walking catfish is another remarkable example of a fish that defies conventional expectations. This amphibious creature has evolved the extraordinary ability to survive out of water for extended periods, earning its name from its capacity to walk on land using its pectoral fins. This unique adaptation allows the walking catfish to traverse short distances across dry land, moving from one body of water to another when its habitat becomes inhospitable or overcrowded. What makes the walking catfish particularly interesting in the context of zombie fish is its incredible resilience to adverse conditions. Like the African lungfish, it can survive in environments that would be lethal to most fish species. The walking catfish possesses a specialized breathing apparatus that allows it to extract oxygen from the air, supplementing its gill respiration. This adaptation enables it to survive in oxygen-depleted waters or even slightly damp environments on land. In extreme cases, when exposed to heat or removed from water, the walking catfish can enter a state of dormancy, appearing lifeless. However, when conditions improve, it can revive itself, resuming normal activities. This ability to come back to life after seemingly fatal circumstances contributes to its reputation as a resilient and adaptable species. Crucian carp. The Crucian carp is a fascinating fish species that exemplifies the concept of a zombie fish through its extraordinary survival mechanisms. This freshwater fish has evolved remarkable adaptations that allow it to endure extremely harsh conditions, particularly in environments with low oxygen levels. What sets the Crucian carp apart is its ability to survive for months in anoxic waters, a feat that would be fatal for most other fish species. The secret to the Crucian carp's survival lies in its unique physiological adaptations. When faced with oxygen-depleted environments, this fish undergoes a remarkable metabolic transformation. It can convert its body from using aerobic respiration to anaerobic fermentation, essentially turning its body into a living alcohol factory. This process allows the Crucian carp to generate energy without oxygen, but it comes at a cost: the accumulation of lactic acid and alcohol in its tissues. To counteract this, the fish has developed a specialized enzyme that helps break down the alcohol, preventing toxicity. This incredible adaptation enables the Crucian carp to appear dead or in a state of suspended animation during harsh winters or in stagnant waters, only to revive when conditions improve, truly earning its reputation as a zombie fish. Mudskippers. Mudskippers are a fascinating group of fish that have taken the concept of amphibious life to extraordinary levels. These remarkable creatures have evolved to spend a significant portion of their lives out of water, challenging our conventional understanding of fish behavior. Mudskippers possess a unique set of adaptations that allow them to thrive in the intertidal zones of tropical and subtropical regions, where they navigate the interface between land and sea. What makes mudskippers particularly intriguing in the context of zombie fish is their ability to survive in seemingly inhospitable conditions. They have developed specialized breathing mechanisms that enable them to extract oxygen from both water and air. Their gills are modified to retain moisture, allowing them to breathe atmospheric oxygen, while their skin can also absorb oxygen when kept moist. This dual respiratory system enables mudskippers to survive out of water for extended periods, appearing almost lifeless when their skin dries out. However, they can quickly revive themselves when reintroduced to water or humid conditions. This remarkable resilience and adaptability have earned mudskippers a place among the most intriguing examples of fish evolution, showcasing nature's ingenuity in overcoming environmental challenges. Climbing perch. The climbing perch is a remarkable fish species that exemplifies the concept of a zombie fish through its extraordinary ability to survive out of water and even traverse land. Native to Southeast Asia, this hardy fish has developed a set of unique adaptations that allow it to endure conditions that would be fatal to most other fish species. The climbing perch's most notable feature is its ability to breathe atmospheric oxygen, thanks to a specialized organ called the labyrinth organ. This labyrinth organ acts as a supplementary breathing apparatus, allowing the climbing perch to survive in oxygen-depleted waters or even on land for several days. When faced with drought or habitat loss, these fish can use their strong pectoral fins and gill plates to walk across land in search of new water sources. What truly earns the climbing perch its reputation as a zombie fish is its remarkable resilience to extreme conditions. Even when exposed to high temperatures or appearing cooked, the climbing perch can enter a state of suspended animation, slowing its metabolic processes to conserve energy. When conditions improve, it can revive itself, resuming normal functions. This incredible ability to withstand seemingly fatal circumstances and come back to life has made the climbing perch a subject of fascination for scientists and nature enthusiasts alike, highlighting the remarkable adaptability of life in the face of environmental challenges. Northern snakehead. The northern snakehead is a formidable species that has earned its place among the ranks of zombie fish due to its remarkable survival abilities. Native to parts of Asia, this fish has gained notoriety for its invasive potential and extraordinary adaptability to various environments. What sets the northern snakehead apart is its capacity to survive out of water for extended periods, a trait that contributes to its reputation as a resilient and persistent species. The northern snakehead's zombie-like qualities stem from its unique physiological adaptations. It possesses a specialized air-breathing organ that allows it to extract oxygen from the atmosphere, complementing its gill respiration. This adaptation enables the fish to survive in low-oxygen environments or even on land for several days. When faced with adverse conditions, such as drought or habitat loss, the northern snakehead can enter a state of dormancy, appearing lifeless. However, it can revive itself when conditions improve, showcasing an incredible ability to withstand extreme circumstances. This resilience, coupled with its aggressive nature and ability to travel across land to find new water sources, has made the northern snakehead a subject of both fascination and concern in the scientific community, highlighting the complex challenges posed by highly adaptable species in ecosystem management. Electric eel. The electric eel, despite its name, is not actually an eel but a type of knife fish. This fascinating creature exemplifies the concept of a zombie fish through its unique adaptations and remarkable survival mechanisms. Native to the freshwater habitats of South America, the electric eel has evolved an extraordinary ability to generate powerful electric discharges, which it uses for both hunting and self-defense. What makes the electric eel particularly intriguing in the context of zombie fish is its resilience to extreme conditions and its ability to survive in oxygen-poor environments. Unlike many fish species, the electric eel is an obligate air breather, meaning it must surface regularly to gulp air. This adaptation allows it to survive in waters with very low oxygen levels, where other fish would perish. In times of drought or when its habitat becomes inhospitable, the electric eel can enter a state of torpor, significantly slowing its metabolic processes. During this period, it may appear lifeless or dead to observers. However, when conditions improve, the electric eel can revive itself, resuming normal activities. This remarkable ability to withstand adverse conditions and come back to life showcases the incredible adaptability of aquatic life and reinforces the electric eel's status as one of nature's most fascinating creatures. Mangrove Killifish. The mangrove killifish stands out as a remarkable example of a zombie fish due to its extraordinary adaptability and survival mechanisms. This tiny fish, native to the mangrove swamps of the Americas, has evolved a set of unique characteristics that allow it to survive in extreme conditions that would be fatal to most other fish species. What makes the mangrove killifish particularly fascinating is its ability to live both in water and on land, a trait that has earned it the nickname "fish out of water." One of the most striking features of the mangrove killifish is its capacity for self-fertilization, making it one of the only known hermaphroditic vertebrates. This unique reproductive strategy allows the species to populate new habitats rapidly, even when isolated. But what truly sets this fish apart in the context of zombie fish is its remarkable ability to survive desiccation. When faced with drought or habitat loss, the mangrove killifish can enter a state of estivation, essentially shutting down most of its bodily functions and encasing itself in a protective mucus cocoon. In this state, it can survive out of water for weeks or even months, appearing completely lifeless. However, when reintroduced to water, the mangrove killifish can come back to life, resuming normal activities as if nothing had happened. This incredible resilience showcases the remarkable adaptations that have evolved in response to challenging environments, making the mangrove killifish a true marvel of nature. Greenland Shark. The Greenland shark is a fascinating creature that embodies the concept of a zombie fish in a unique way. Unlike some of the other species discussed, the Greenland shark's zombie-like qualities stem not from its ability to survive out of water, but from its extraordinary longevity and slow metabolic rate. This deep-sea dweller is known to be one of the longest-living vertebrates on Earth, with some individuals estimated to be over 500 years old. What makes the Greenland shark particularly intriguing is its incredibly slow growth rate and late maturation. These sharks grow at a rate of less than 1 centimeter per year and don't reach sexual maturity until they're around 150 years old. This extremely slow pace of life contributes to their zombie-like reputation, as they appear to exist in a state of suspended animation compared to most other marine life. The Greenland shark's ability to survive in extreme cold and under immense pressure in the deep ocean further adds to its mystique. Their flesh contains high levels of trimethylamine oxide, a toxic compound that makes them inedible to humans in their natural state. Interestingly, when the meat is fermented and dried through a traditional Icelandic process, it becomes edible, in a sense, bringing the dead flesh back to life. This unique combination of longevity, slow metabolism, and unusual biochemistry makes the Greenland shark a fascinating example of nature's diversity and resilience.